And we are ready for bag 6. Bag 6, as I mentioned last time, is 2 feet. And I'm going to try and multitask this time and see how far it backfires on me by building both of the 2 feet at the same time. This could be a terrible idea, but I'm assuming that they are going to be a mirror image of each other, and therefore we will be able to see how it works. Maybe terrible, but let's see. All right, off we go with our knolling. That looks great. Right, so now we attach to foot. The foots. Don't have a lot of space here. So this is green side up as pictured. And that is towards the center. It goes all the way through, which it successfully does. So that is the end of the leg. This thing comes all the way through to the bottom. So I'm hoping that we get something to pin that in place next. Yes, we do. This is going to make it quite loose and floppy. I need to come at that from the other side. My fingers don't articulate in the right direction. So there we go, we have our stud in the side there, which now should mean it will flexibly tip and move and articulate. So quite a lot of movement in that joint. There's a bit of, oh, that's interesting. So when it's in its down position, it's more locked than if it's in its up position. Up leg rather than up foot. So that's a lock. Nice. Okay, so that is foot number 1 complete. Now we move on to foot number 2. And here's the second foot, ready to attach. And just like with the previous one, we need to put our thing underneath, which I should be able to access much easier this time, given the angle that I'm on. Hang on, it's a blue. Was it blue? Yes, it was a blue. Because colour matters. The lighting is a little bit better than last time too, that's nice. And make that little last locking bit. A little bit of cosmetics to finish up with. I don't know how easy it was to see on the previous foot, but that just goes in there, which blocks the access to that, so they put it on last. Alrighty, so that should be, yep, that is, I don't know what that's telling me. Oh, that's telling me how the feet work. Right, we can cut that out. So this, we have our Center foot in the up position. And then when we tip it all forwards, that extends, and we have those at an angle, and that is sensational. And that's all very stable. They aren't trying to fall over, they aren't trying to overbalance or anything. Starting to come together. So we'll finish up the recording there and be back for bag 7 another time. I'm looking at some pieces that I'm not sure where they're going to go. They could be front panel. I don't see some big panel pieces in there, but it could be front panel. It could be the start of the head. Not sure. Yes, these look like they might be the front cosmetics, but we shall see. And thank you very much for joining me. Don't forget the usual like and subscribe down there. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.